morning, guys. Good morning. It's 7 o'clock, but it's very early. Then we're here. It's 7 o'clock, but we get up like I get up for almost 5 o'clock, and my husband got up like 8. No, 8. 3 or 4, something like that, and then he just go direct to the shower, and that's it. Oh, it's closed. To our destination. It's gonna be crazy. We have before we do the closing, guys, we have a walkthrough. Did Andrea know the address? And
yeah, so I'm like, hold on, I can tell her again. Of course I didn't make the light.
Yeah.
Why would I?
So the back is, a little something in there, but hi guys, we're finally done, and you know what, it's really a headache because it's a headache. Papers everywhere, lawyers, there are lawyers over here, the seller and the buyer. We're hungry. It's already 1:30 in the afternoon, and what did you do outside? What did you do? So I will give you a tour now, guys. I'm gonna use my camera because my sister-in-law, because she's annoying. If I do that, she'll laugh at me. So I'm gonna do it now while she's not here. So okay, I'll see you. I'm gonna show you the house now, and yeah. Okay, guys, this is the door here when you get in. Okay, when you get in, this is what you see. This is the door. Okay, when you get in here from the door, this is the end. This is what you can see first. This is what you can see when you're in the door. Han, are you okay over there? Yeah. He's trying to turn the fireplace on. The thing is different from our fireplace. And when you turn to the right, it's the stairs go to the second floor. And if you turn to the left, it's the dining. That's the dining area. On like that in this area here. So this is how it looks. And if you keep going, guys, when you turn to the right, it's the master bedroom, and you keep looking, it's this area here is a living room area. It's a living room, and my husband is in there. Excuse. And this is the kitchen. This is what I like about this. It's an open concept. So that's the kitchen right there. We bring some chair. A folding chair, and that over there is the door to go to the backyard, to the front back porch. Huh? So if you keep going, there's another entrance to go to the dining, and you can see the front door, and this is the kitchen, guys. And yeah, so there's a refrigerator. It's like white thing. My husband is not a fan of thing white, but I like this thing over here, like that. Sink over there, and yeah. So if you keep going here, this is a bedroom, but it's very small bedroom. But we're gonna make this as an office, my husband's office, and yeah. So, and over here, there's another door. There is a powder room here. It's very small. It's big enough. And yes, so this is the thing. Another mirror over there. Hi guys.
Huh?
And the sink, the toilet. Yeah, I probably put something here, guys. And there is another door. This is like a door thing here. I'm gonna shut this off the light. And this is another door. This door here is, it's empty here. This is the laundry area here. The laundry area. I have a lot of space here for drawer, something like that. And yeah, I will. This is going to the garage, going to the basement. I'm not showing you the basement. And yeah, if you keep going over here, this is what you see, like this: bathroom, my husband, the kitchen, the living room, and I'm going to, oh, the fireplace is on. It's very annoying. It's a very noisy fireplace, guys. And let's see, to the master bedroom. It's a big bedroom, and there's a big walk-in closet, guys. But this is not my room. This is not a room because we're gonna let my mother-in-law stay here. So there is a bathroom over here, bathtub, shower, and yeah. So let's go to the let's go to the bedroom. There's to the second floor. Stairs. So when you turn to your left, it's a bathroom, shower. The tub is not here. We plan to put a tub over here. And if you go out, it's another room. Nice. And this room is gonna be the guest room / my makeup room, my filming room, guys. That's my filming room. And there's another room over here. Another room over here. The same thing, the same style in the other one though. But yeah, so the door over here is for the attic. It's a huge attic over there. Good. So fireplace is on. So I'm gonna have my lunch, guys, and I will see you later. Oh, there's a little TV over here. This TV is so funny, guys. I make fun of this TV. Look. And I will show you the backyard, guys. The back porch. The back porch is big. Very big back porch. And yeah, so I'm just going to eat my lunch. Han, what are you gonna have, Han? What did you get, Sam? What did you get? Chicken farm. Okay, chicken farm. I'm gonna have some, guys. I'm gonna wash my hands. Guys, look. Very cheesy, yum yum.
Oh, these are the spice rack thingies?
Yeah.
Oh, neat. You gotta wash them out. You see that, right?
Huh?
I've been out there.
Okay. My sister enjoys there.
Listen, took crap. Woo, it's chilly up here. Ah, carpet. I'll drop off tomorrow morning. She can start working. I'll pick her up tomorrow night.
Well, first you could ask her how much you got done. If she can get done enough, you leave her.
That's right. That's right. I'll have minimum requirements in order to pick her up.
What the requirements?
You have to have the whole place taped. No, that's a lot.
No, I can do it.
No, that's a lot. No, too much. No, you get bored. I tell you what. Wow, that's a big bitch back there.
Yeah, I can just
I'm gonna
stand
have to
over
hike you
there.
on my shoulders.
Oh my
You have
god,
to
even
crawl
if I stand over there, I can't reach it.
I'm gonna have to hike you on my shoulders and shove you up there. You're gonna have to crawl on your belly across the cabin.
I'm heavy, Andrea.
I don't know how you get up there, to be honest.
You need a big ladder,
Thanks.
Good.
and then you have to reach into the wall.
I honestly don't know how you do it.
Look at it.
Good.
Okay, ladders on your list. Do you have a ladder at home?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? So you don't want to rebuy anything, you want to bring it up.
I says, well, I'm doing things there and here. I need access to those too.
Okay.
Oh,
Cheers.
well.
Cheers, lots of luck.
Congratulations,
Thank
kids.
you.
Okay, we have to go to mom.
Happiness in your new home. Lots of luck.
Here's hoping.
Lots of
Well, I
love.
don't count? Oh, yeah. Everybody but me should go to.
So, talking about new home and lots of luck, how was that closing?
So here it is.
I didn't bring. Oh, I got plastic cups filled with water. Or take,
Yes, thank you.
Coffee.
yeah.
Drink your champagne. This is good champagne.
It's very
I actually like white sauce. They don't make it anymore.
Han, remember when we went to Milanese thing? It's sweet, I like it.
I don't like sweet wines. Very.
In Milanese bridal shower, it's sweet. Sweet.
Oh, I don't know what she had.
I don't know what.
Well, probably crappy stuff. But I always like this better than Dom Perignon. Dom Perignon was the top of the line, right? I just don't like it. Never did.
You don't like this?
Dom Perignon, I don't like. Dom Perignon is top of the line, no way. It's like $200.
Moet is the
It's like
type.
$200 a bottle. Yeah,
Moet.
this is no way.
That's like Pinot Grigio, that's the type?
Right.
Okay. And that guy
Well,
is...
Moet is manufactured.
Oh,
Pinot Grigio is not a type.
oh, that's what I was...
Moet is a brand.
But you said Dom Perignon...
Dom
made
Perignon
Moet.
is like, Dom Perignon is like the Cadillac.
I know, but you
of
said
their line.
Dom Perignon Moet, and I thought Moet was like Pinot Grigio.
No. Moet, Dom Perignon is
Moet's
the best
competitor.
wine Moet makes.
Oh,
Moet is like Chevy, and a Cavalier is like a...
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh, so okay, Moet is the actual company, and that
This is Brut Imperial.
Oh.
They used to have Moet White Star and Moet Brut. I like White Star. They stopped making it.
So I saw that on TV, the drink have like gold.
Have
What is
old?
that? Gold.
Gold?
A
Oh,
in it.
gold sharders. Yeah, you don't want to drink.
Oh.
You don't want to drink anything that has gold in your body. You can't digest it.
You know what? I have a little tiny bottle of that somewhere. I don't know, I was talking to one of Steven's coaches or something. This was the kids were little. And he gave me, those little, I don't know, they used to be dollar, like airport bottles. They're not dollars
The
anymore.
small one.
Yeah, and I used to have it in my china cabinet, and it's clear. It's like a peppermint, right? Or something like that? Is that what you find it now? I don't know where it is.
You don't want to drink it.
Wait, is that
Are you
gold?
supposed to
Your
drink
body
it?
cannot digest gold.
So why did you put gold in the wine?
Because it's small amounts, so it's not very, because people like it.
Well, people do drink it, right? I'm gonna have to look
Not a
for my
good idea.
bottle. I'm gonna have to look for my bottle.
But it's just not a good idea.
Maybe I'll give it to you if I'm nice, if I can find it. It's adorable. I got that. I thought it was so cool. It's like a snow globe. But
Hey, look, those kids making stuff at home already. I'm
Are you hot, really?
She's hot.
yeah, but in 2 seconds I'll be closing it.
Oh, that's how it happened in
Well,
your
I
age.
tried to put you, because I think Grandma will walk in and be freezing.
That butt. No, it's not your butt, it's my face. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is.
What the heck?
No, that's good.
It's fine.
Yeah, no.
It's not bad tiles.
It's just that I know that's like a thing, like to be consistent throughout the house. And my
Yeah.
house was, like you're just talking about putting down wood, and I'm like, well, if you do that, then you should probably rip the hallway and do the wood in the hallway too,
Yeah.
because people want,
We're finally home. Oh my god, it's really pain in the neck when she's around. You eat your din din. Oh my god, you guys eat your din din. You guys eat the din din. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? We get home 30 minutes ago, and what I did is start cooking stuff. I am doing the sausage and rice and fish and string beans. I have a really bad headache from getting up early and then upstate busy reading papers. It's just like gives me headache. Plus I ate late, like 2 o'clock I think, and yeah, so everything is crazy. And that's what happened all the time when look at this one. What are you doing? What do you want? You just keep doing that to me like crazy. You just keep jumping. I would like to say goodnight to you right now, if I don't say goodnight later, because I might forget later. So I'm gonna say goodnight to you, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you